This tomb of human civilization at the bottom of the sea reminds us that nothing is permanent on Earth. It is only a rusty skeleton which the sea itself has been swallowing for thousands of years. This modern structure and empire of steel made by man is now occupied by marine animals and algae. Evidence of the development of civilization has been found in every corner of the vast ocean floor. The presence of modern cities thousands of years ago, this is a real witness to it. Nature has reclaimed its empire.
The enigma of the abyss. This is a silent triumph of nature.